Hi friends, in this video I would be showing a transparent motor gear mechanism. See, this is a product. I will tell you how we can purchase this product. Before that, first let me check what is inside. Let me turn on this motor and check. Here you can see how this gear mechanism is working. I will tag this product. You can purchase this product from the tag. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.